welcome to this podcast on research methodologies. My name is Cullum, and in this episode I'll be discussing narrative inquiry. As humans, we rely heavily on the use of stories. As the literature puts it, we lead storied lives, and we tell stories of our lives. We make use of stories to describe ourselves, to communicate our identity to others. We even use stories to form our identity. Stories are used to make sense of situations. When reviewing a certain situation or event in our minds, we use the progression of events in time to construct a story. This sharing and interpretation of these stories is where the idea of narrative inquiry comes from. When undertaking research by narrative inquiry, or inquiry into narrative, the researcher takes the stories of the practitioner and constructs a narrative of it. The stories used as data in this kind of research may be reflective journals, structured or unstructured interviews, and other writings, including lesson plans, biographical writing, and personal philosophies. By analysing the constructed narrative, the researcher can analyse the situation described, and thereby construct knowledge from the narrative. One comparison it may be useful to make is with the court system, and how it works. Here, witnesses are required to tell their story or narrative, and the jury is required to inquire into these narratives in order to make their judgment. As practitioners, we can personally undertake narrative inquiry into our own practice. By keeping a reflective journal of our practice, it is possible to review events that we have experienced, thereby constructing a narrative. Using this narrative, we can inform our own practice and those with whom we work. As a method of research, narrative inquiry is a relatively recent development, to the extent that some researchers would disagree that it can be used as an empirical method of investigation. Given that the data used in the construction of the knowledge from this method is likely to be biased or skewed by the personal view of the practitioner, this is a plausible argument. Narrative inquiry is also quite a fluid method of investigation, and as such it can be hard to instruct someone in how best to carry out research by narrative inquiry. Nonetheless, narrative inquiry has been described as a democratic form of research, which gives practitioners' voices space in the academic research community. Thanks for listening.